Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Kia Sorento key fob battery. First, you'll need to confirm the battery type, which is usually a CR2032 coin cell. Next, make sure you have a small flathead screwdriver or a similar prying tool readily available. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth and successful battery swap, getting your key fob working perfectly again. To begin, locate the small release button on the side of your Kia Sorento key fob. Press this button and slide out the emergency key, setting it aside for a moment. Now, with the emergency key removed, you'll see a small slot or seam. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this opening and gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the small, round battery inside. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct reinstallation. Now, gently pry out the old, depleted CR2032 battery. With the old battery out, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing and gently press them together until they snap securely into place. Next, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it clicks. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Finally, test your key fob's functionality by trying to lock and unlock your vehicle to ensure everything is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.